Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can add informative message box in your wpbakery WordPress website. Let me log in into my demo website. And after that, make sure that you have uploaded plugin file. Here you can see I have installed wpbakery page builder. Just you can upload the plugin file in zip format. And after that, let's go back to the pages. If you want to get the plugin from official website, here you can see wpbakery.com, then go to pricing, and here you can get this package for single website. Okay, next in the pages, let's edit one of the page, and here you can see backend editor as well as front-end editor, so you can use whatever you want. Now after that, let me add a new row. So let me add 2-column row. Then after that, here you can search for message box. Here you can see, so this is also called notification box, and here you can add some text. For example, please don't make any changes. So here we have added some text, then scroll up. Now here you can see you can select the color. So let's select warning, and after that on the top, so these are some pre-made presets. Just we can select this one, then style, standard, solid, whatever you want to use. Then scroll down, and here you can select the shape. Let me select square. Then scroll down, here you can add some icon. Just you can select from the icon library. Here you can search any icon and add here. Let's close this one, then scroll down, and here you can also align your text. Then you can also add some animations. Then you can also add some border and spacing. Now let's preview. Okay guys, here you can see we have added a message box here, and if you want to change the color, you can go back, scroll up, and here you can change whatever color you want. Then after that, final step is just click on update. So now here you can see settings is saved.